So apparently somebody's supposed to check out. They haven't checked out yet. Alright, so.
She's still in the room.
Okay.
Not opening the door.
Is this your checkout date?
11 o'clock. Today is the checkout, yes.
Okay.
The room is under the guy's name. He was the person. We don't even have her ID. He's not here.
Okay, so he's
He
not.
checked out yesterday, actually. But still she's in there.
So this person checked out yesterday, but somebody else is in his room.
Yeah, he gave me a call yesterday evening that I am already out of the room. And according to him, even she should be out in the evening itself. But we did not check because he had his reservation since morning here. And right now she's still in the room.
Was that lady with him?
We don't know.
We don't know.
We don't know. Okay. So,
He checked in only.
so according to your record, she's not supposed to be here.
Correct.
Yes.
Okay.
And 11 o'clock is checkout time anyway. It's just 12:15 now.
Yeah. Okay. Where please?
Knock again. Yeah, we can check. Alright, yeah, go ahead and open it. And
Deadlock. It's a deadlock. Zora. Necesito más que
go mount. Clearwater Police, open up. Are you able to open it from out here?
Nothing. Clearwater Police, open up.
Jimmy, I need a lock key, manual key from the lobby by room number 149, please. Can you go and get it? I was gonna say, do you guys have available lock keys? I'm not sure.
There she was. Clearwater Police, open the door now. She's in it. She saw her put her phone outside.
Ma'am, open the door.
Is this slide or no?
Ma'am, open the doors. Clearwater Police.
Ma'am, you will be arrested if you do not come to the door.
We just want to talk to you, that's all.
How do the windows work?
We're gonna open.
You can open it? Yeah, it's unlocked. I just don't know how it...
No, you can promise that we're gonna find. Yeah, and then take him on the lawn. Okay? You just ask him what's the status. Okay, bye.
It's unlocked.
Slide it.
There's nowhere to grip it on here. Just pull it.
Ma'am, open the door. So she's got the deadbolt up top as well.
No problem. Just push it so the latch will come in.
Thoughts on that?
Huh?
The troubles are pop it.
They can, they can open. They can force entry to their door.
Yeah. It's your property. You guys can do whatever you want.
Maybe. Try.
Ma'am, open the door and talk to us. You need to speak with the management. They're right out here with us. I'm sorry, I cannot hear you. I cannot hear you. Can you please open the door so we can speak? I cannot hear you.
Mano.
Ma'am, you're being trespassed. Come tell her she's being trespassed.
You are trespassed from the property.
Did you hear that?
So that means you have to leave the premises right away or else you will be arrested.
The staff just told you you're being
You have
trespassed.
to open the door first and then you can pack it up. You have to open the door first.
Ma'am, if you refuse to leave after being trespassed, you will be arrested.
Let me get my things. I'm not going to open the door until I get my things and I will leave.
Open the door.
Civilly.
Open the door.
See.
Is that?
Recording about
That's fine. So are we. So are we. Open the door so we can make sure you're okay and staff can talk to you.
Ya, pero ¿no quiere abrir? Sí, maldita está loca. No, ya que ya. Ajá, y aquí. Yeah, but the problem is that the seas is in the house.
Does that side slide? Is it that? Which side moves? Which side?
Opening the door. So it's under arrestment. This is how it's gonna approach.
Yeah, there's a block right there on that.
That's a situation that if you bring her in the house, you are the registered guest. You'll be the responsible for anything.
That side's not going to slide because there's something right there. Look, see, it's blocking it that way. Ma'am, open the door. If you do not open the door, you'll be arrested.
You have to come here, the property.
This side slides. This side goes that way. I think. You tell me. Oh, it's screwed in.
That's all. We just explaining what the situation is. You are the one that will invite that person.
Ma'am, open the door now.
There you go.
Whatever you have to do, you have to do. I'm just gonna hang up the phone now. Okay.
Come to the door now. Unlock it.
No.
Ma'am.
No.
Violating my rights. Violating my rights.
Turn around.
Nope. Violating my rights.
Turn around.
Violating my rights.
Jehovah! Jehovah!
Ma'am, put your hands behind your back.
Please,
Behind your
Jehovah!
We're not gonna ask you
Jehovah,
again.
please!
Put your hands behind your back.
Please, Jehovah, please! I couldn't even get my stuff without leaving!
Put your hands behind your back.
No!
You will be charged with resisting arrest if you do not comply with us.
I didn't resist, sir.
You check the bathroom. Call it out.
I'm getting arrested. They just came in my room and I'm getting arrested. I was trying to get my stuff and they wouldn't let me get my stuff. They just kept trying to come in my room and I felt like I was in danger.
No, you don't have to tell her what.
No, I couldn't.
Give us the phone. Drop it. Hang it up. What is it? Why is there a live animal in here? What is this? A duck?
Yes.
Is this duck shit everywhere?
That's what I was trying to clean up before.
Okay.
Alright, so why didn't you open the door then?
Yeah, just take her to a car.
Do you have anything on you? Alright. Got no weapons, anything illegal on you?
Can I please have my phone?
We're gonna get you all that in a moment. This door.
It's everything again. I'm hopeless. I was just trying to get all of my things so I can leave.